Hey kids, Hugh here for Roaddogs Travels. Today we're taking a quick look at Goblin Valley in central Utah. Located out in the middle of nowhere, it is well worth the journey to get here. And it is a great example of hoodoo formations in all shapes and sizes. One of the great things about the Utah State Park system is that they allow each one to establish their own policy about drones. Goblin Valley is one that allows them. Of course, you will need to pay a $10 fee to do so. Funny thing, Miss Lynn and I have been here a couple of times before. Apparently, we only ventured out into this first valley thinking this is it. I never realized how cool and extensive this place really was until I flew the drone. To my amazement, there were two more valleys beyond the first one, and it looks like they are more interesting than the first valley. Looks like I'll have to come back. Sure can't wait to see that. It's another place in Utah with unlimited photo opportunities, and I have a feeling I'm going to need some time exploring Utah. So, that will be it for this quick look. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, this has been Q for Roaddogs.com saying, so long.